Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 306, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Colorado: Becca, Bent, Cheyenne, Crowley, El Paso,
That's me.
Kiowa, Los Animas, Otero, Prowers, Pueblo, and Teller. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous. Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 306, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Colorado: Becca, Bent, Cheyenne, Crowley, El Paso, Kiowa, Los Animas, Otero, Prowers, Pueblo, and Teller. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Partly sunny, 86 degrees. Blue moon. Mostly sunny.
I also thank Brian Schlipp Jr. to join this call on the Require Weekly Test. Subscribe to him as well. The link will be on the end screen. Thanks for watching.